Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how to transform a real image or a PNG of a person into a clip art or just a shadow. And before we continue, make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you like this tutorial. I have more videos on how to make a little more complicated designs, but this one is a pretty simple. So let's begin. So I have an image here already that I copy. Now I'm going to paste. And this is pretty much a PNG image of a person, okay? Now, how do we transform this real person into a clip art or just a shadow? So first we're going to go to bitmaps and then go to outline trace. And then we're gonna get a clip art. It's gonna take a second. Then you're gonna click OK. All right, now we have a clip art here. It's not real perfect, but now we're gonna transform this into a shadow. So now we go to arrange, go down to shaping and boundary. So pretty much what this is gonna do is bring just the shape of an image. So now let's get rid of this, but now as you can see, we still don't have it perfectly right, okay? So how do we fix this? Well, double click on this image or on the clip art or the boundary, double click, and you're gonna see all these dots. You're gonna get rid of this dot, then this dot, and then this dot. And now we're gonna click to align. It's still not perfect, right? All right, so now here's another solution. We're gonna get rid of this line right here, and we're gonna curve until it looks like the neck of the person. Now let's check it out and give this color. And now as you watching, now you have an image of this image right here. Actually, I said it was a PNG, but you can see the frame in the back, so it's not really a PNG. It's just an NPGE or just an image, you know. It's not even a PNG. So now you have the shadow of this image. Again, if you like this tutorial, I would like if you give us a like, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.